Good morning, my dear children. How are you? Welcome to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School. Hope you are all doing fine. So, my dear children, in today's class, we will start with a new grammar chapter. The name of the lesson is nouns. So, let us just refresh our knowledge on nouns. I will show you a few objects and you have to tell me what these objects are. Okay, what is this? This is a water bottle. Yes. What is this? This is a diary, or you can simply say that this is a book. Next, two very simple objects. What is this? Yes, this is a comb. What is this? It is a duster. Next, a very common thing. Without this thing, we are not supposed to move around now. What is this? This is a mask. We are supposed to wear mask whenever we are going outside. Let me ask you a few more questions. Where do you live? You might be living in Guruvayur, you might be in Thrissur, you might be in Pavarti, any place, okay? Just look around your house. There are many trees around your house. Can you name a few trees? Coconut tree is there, mango tree is there, jackfruit tree is there. So there are many variety of trees also around your house. Who cooks food in your house? Your mother cooks food in your house. Who plays with you? Your brother or your sister plays with you. So my dear children, we have just named a few things. Duster, mask, water bottle. You have also named the place that you live in. You have also named a few people around you, trees around you. So naming words. What are these naming words called as? These naming words are known as nouns. So how do you define a noun? Nouns are words that are used to name an animal, person, idea, place or thing. Whenever you are giving a name to any person, place, object, ideas, things, it is called as a noun. Now let me just show you a few pictures. What you have to do is that it's a very simple activity. I will show you a picture and you have to give me some particular names of those pictures. Okay, for example, if I say girl, how can you give some particular names? You can say that Leela, Sheila, Fatima, Zahra. These are some names of girls. Boy, Abhilash, Ashraf, Sanjay, Muhammad, like that names. Okay, have you understood the activity? Now I'll show you the first picture. What is this? This is a picture of the school. Now can you give me some names of school? Of course, our own great school, the Sri Gokulam Public School. Another school, yes, Vidya Vihar School is there. Then Holy Cross Convent is there. So these are names of many more schools. Next picture. I'm sure everybody will have lots of answers for this picture. What is this? It's a car. Now quickly tell me some names of the cars. Maruti, Honda, Lamborghini, Ferrari. So many brands of cars are there. Now something very sweet is coming up. Chocolate. Now tell me some of your favorite chocolates name. Cadbury's, Snickers, Bounty, Munch. We learned through this activity. There are some common things I showed you and you were able to give me some particular names for those common things. Isn't it right, children? Okay. Now, commonly you are naming things. It is called as common noun. You need to remember that all common nouns are written without capital letter. So common nouns you have studied. Next, you had given me some particular names for these nouns when I asked. What are those called as? Those are known as proper noun. So how do you define a proper noun? A proper noun names a certain person, place or thing. It begins with a capital letter. Example, everyone wanted to go to Pizza Hut. So Pizza Hut is name of the restaurant. So Pizza Hut is a proper noun. Mr. Smith didn't give us homework. Mr. Smith is a name of a man. So man is common noun. Mr. Smith is proper noun. Our game will be next Sunday. So Sunday is the name of a day. Okay, so days are common noun and Sunday is a proper noun. So have you understood, children, what is common noun and proper noun? Common noun and proper noun are very important types of nouns. So common noun means commonly we are saying, proper noun means it is used for naming something very particular. So my dear children, now you have learnt what is common noun and what is proper noun. Next type of noun that we are going to learn today is collective nouns. Now, what do you mean by collective nouns? Collective nouns are names, special names given to a group of persons or animals. Or you can also say that it is a name given to a collection of things. Now when you find a group of people or group of animals or certain kinds of things, they are found in a group, there is a special name given to it. And this group is considered as a single unit. Let me explain this through an example so that you can understand it better. Now what do you see here? You see here a child is singing. Okay, so you can call this child as a singer. Next, what do you see here? Here there are a group of children are singing. So what do we name this group of singers? Can we call them as a group of singers? No. The correct way of calling them is they are called as a choir of singers. Okay, that group name is choir. You have also heard in your assembly, no? In your morning assembly, you will say that the school choir will lead us in prayer. So you find a group of students coming forward and singing. So that group of singers are called as choir. Next, another example. This is a wolf. What do you call a group of wolves? They are called as a pack of wolves. For example, we can say that Marina is surrounded and chased by a pack of wolves. Many more examples of collective nouns like a bunch of grapes, a bouquet of flowers, crowd of people. So these are some examples of collective nouns. Now let us do this exercise from your textbook, page number 15, exercise F. There are some words given in a box. We have to fill in the blanks using appropriate collective nouns. You can learn more collective nouns through this exercise. Each of the guests were greeted with a bouquet of flowers. Okay, bouquet of flowers. The hunter was attacked on the foot by an army of ants. What do you call a group of ants? It is called as army of ants. Next one is a company of actors from Bollywood had gathered at the film festival this year. Group of actors are called as company of actors. Similarly, group of musicians are called as a band of musicians. Were seen playing hymns by the roadside. Hymns means prayers. Tom was very eager to let the brood of hens out of the coop. Coop is the place where the hen is staying. Okay, so what do you call a group of hens? It is called as brood of hens. The next one is the Supreme Court has chosen a special bench of judges to pass the verdict. The next one, the investigation team discovered a battery of guns from the deserted apartment. Group of guns, it is called as battery of guns. So similarly, there are other collective nouns also. You should learn these collective nouns. So my dear children, with this we are concluding today's class. I hope you have all understood nouns, proper noun and common noun. So keep practicing more and have a good day. Be good children. Thank you.